EverPlans Retirement Planner Honest review. What you using? EverPlan is a comprehensive digital platform designed to help individuals organize, store, and share essential life and end-to-life planning documents. While not a traditional retirement planner focused solely on financial projection, EverPlans offers tools that are crucial for holistic retirement and estate planning. And here are the key features about this platform. It comes with a comprehensive document organization and a designated duties and a user-friendly interface with a digital estate planning. I'm talking about the pros and cons of this platform, which brings about the explanation of advantages and disadvantages you stand to gain using this EverPlan Retirement Planner Honest review. So to get started with the advantages, come with a holistic approach which addresses the various aspects of life planning beyond adjusting finances, including the medical and a personal wishes. Employing banks level encryptions to protect your sensitive information, which is a secure storage and accessibility, which is offer both web and mobile app version, allowing users to access their information on the go. Talking about the cons, which is the disadvantage, it's not a traditional financial planner, and it's also mobile app limitation. Users have noted that the iPad version does not utilize the full version of the full screen, and also affecting the usability. And annual subscription fee priced at $75 per year per family, which might be a consideration for some users. And here's the overall conclusion. EverPlan is a valuable tool for individuals seeking to organize and share essential life documents, ensuring that their wishes are known and accessible to trusted individuals. While it doesn't replace traditional financial planning software, it's focused on the comprehensive life and end of life planning, making it a worth addition